Good evening. Oh, we are recording. Look at all these bikes. Look at all these bikes. We're at BIKER Gear. First night for the bike nights, Thursday bike nights. And there's bikes everywhere. Mental health motorbikers are here. Look at this trick. Look at this trick beamer. Look at that. Some proper bikes here. T7 boys, world rallies. More trick stuff, more trick stuff. Casper. Casper! He's a bit special. Look at all these. Look at this. Bikes everywhere. Dave Erdley's come. Cafe's open. New cafe. Take the new cafe out. New cafe. Andy Walker. Oh, mega. More bikes. Bikes and more bikes. Mr. Pitchford, Mr. Erdley. Barbecue's on, smoking away. Look at all this lot. Not so mads. Yes, he is. Look at this lot. Barbecue's rocking. Carol. Hi, Carol.
Hi.
She's a new. There she is. There's the girl herself. Look at all this. There's Andy. He's worked hard, this lad. Look at all this lot. There's Miss Yeoman. Food everywhere. Food. So he's done all this floor, levelled all this floor up. New sign up. Changed all the cafe round. Look at that. Cafe's mint. Lights are all up for future discos. Oh, this is all new cafe. Look at this. Look at this. Well, this wasn't even here. Last year, this wasn't even here. So he's built all this. Cake stand going in, bar, coffee machine. Awesome. I've worked proper hard. There she is. Give us a cuddle.
Hi.
Reaping the rewards now, love.
Oh God.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
What a night, what a first night. What a first night. So, you know where to head on Thursdays. Get down here, back to the Superstore.